You thinking about getting an immediate annuity, but you're not sure about the pros and cons, the good, the bad, all the details in between? Well, in this video, that's what I'm going to be going over coming up. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brandon. Today we're going to be talking about immediate annuities, the pros and cons, the good and bad. But first, if you can, give this video a like and subscribe if you're in an RV or if you're getting near to retirement and you're interested in lifetime income and adding an annuity into your retirement portfolio. Also, if you could go ahead and subscribe if you want to be up to date with all the videos that I'm going to be dropping. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So before we talk about the pros and cons of an immediate annuity, let's figure out what is an immediate annuity. So simply put, an immediate annuity, it's also called a SPIA, Single Premium Income Annuity. It's a way to take a big chunk of money, essentially, a portion of your retirement, or if you just have a lump sum of your savings, and turn it into a guaranteed income. So you turn it into an insurance company, a one-time lump sum payment, say for instance, $100,000, and in return, they start sending you a monthly check. And that income can start either right away or usually within 30 days or so. So think of it like purchasing your own personal pension plan. So instead of hoping your investments work out, you lock in that income stream that shows up like clockwork, whether the market crashes or not. So now that we know what an annuity is, let's look at some of the pros. So pro number one, predictable income. You know exactly how much you're going to get every single month. And that's not just nice, it's really a big peace of mind. Pro number two, typically an immediate annuity, the contract is pretty simple and straightforward. You just do that lump sum and then you get that mailbox money or direct deposit within your account. Pro number three, fewer fees. Most immediate annuities, they don't have ongoing account fees like other investments, which is really, really nice. A lot of people like that option. Point number four, there is an option to have an inflation protection. So you can add a rider that bumps up your payment every year by around like 3%, 5%, depending on which contract you get into, to help keep up with inflation, which is a really nice perk. But make sure you double check with me, reach out to me and make sure that that's something that you want to do. We can go over all of the options for your specific situation. Pro number five, lifetime income option. So if you choose lifetime payments, it keeps going even if you live way past your life expectancy. That's called mortality credits. You benefit from the risk pool if you live longer. Pro number six, legacy options. So people think you lose the money when you die. That's not always true. There's many plans that let you leave the rest to your spouse, your heirs, depends on what you want to pick. Like I said, everybody's situation is different. So if you want to figure out your specific situation, go ahead and reach out to me if it's something that you're interested in. So now, not everything is sunshine and rainbows. Let's look at some cons. Con number one, no access to your money. Once you hand over that lump sum, it's locked in. You can't take it back or pull out chunks whenever you want. So this is something to keep in mind and should be told to you up front. This way we know what the purpose of the money is going to be. Con number two is inflation risk. So if you don't add the cost of living rider that we spoke about earlier, your payment stays the same. Even if the groceries go up, the cost of eggs, everything's going to go up, obviously. So that's another thing to keep in mind if you don't choose that cost of living rider. Point number three, no growth. Unlike other annuities that grow with the market performance, this one just pays you. So you're not earning compound interest. It's just guaranteed income, straight up peace of mind. Number four, one-time withdrawal, maybe. Some companies offer one-time emergency withdrawal, but not all. So just read the fine print or just double check with me, and I'll make sure that we figure that out together. So what are my final thoughts? Good or bad immediate annuity or a SPIA? Well, honestly, it depends. Like I was saying earlier, everyone's situation is different. Specifically speaking to RVs within retirement, if you do have an old 401k or an IRA, and you do want that, I think it's important if you do have that steady income. And this could be a really great option for some of you. It just depends on what you need and what your wants are as well. And speaking of that, if any of you are interested in figuring out if a SPIA or a fixed index annuity, it will fit into your portfolio, and if it's right for your portfolio, look in the description. My information's there. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or book a Zoom call. I'd love to help you out and figure out how this can fit into your portfolio. Until next time, stay safe and keep rolling into retirement stress-free. See ya.